Hi, I'm Christian and I run a LinkedIn ads agency where we help B2B companies reach their ideal customer on a consistent basis using LinkedIn ads. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do that is set up a LinkedIn ad account. And if you've not done this before, I'm going to take you through and show you exactly how to do that. So the first step you're going to want to do is log into your LinkedIn account. And you can see here on this account that you can actually have options all over the different aspects of the feed, as they're trying to encourage you to set up an account. So we can see it's here, and you may even have one appear up here at the top. But the simplest way is to go where it says for business and then click on the option that says advertise on LinkedIn. So once you click that button, this will take you here to the opening page of LinkedIn ads if you don't have any ad accounts associated with your profile at the moment. So if you don't, all you have to do is click get started. If you do have, you may go straight into a LinkedIn ads menu, and you can either just click on the create the account, which will be on the left hand side, or add a new account. Or if you already have one and you've forgotten, you can just start using that. But we're going to come here and we're going to click get started. Once you click get started and you have no other ad account, you'll come to a screen that looks like this, where you'll be able to select the page if you have more than one, and you'll be able to set your currency of your account as well. And most importantly, you have to agree to the terms and conditions. A key point here is make sure that this currency, you set that to the currency that you want, as once you create the account, you won't be able to change the page associated to it, and you won't be able to change the currency. And this can be one of the things that messes people up when they're trying to make this as seamless as possible, as they're suddenly being billed in a currency which isn't the one in which they bank and typically operate. So there you go. That's a quick step-by-step on setting up your LinkedIn ad. So once you've got your LinkedIn ad account set up, you can look at things like setting up a business manager to help you manage that process a little bit easier, particularly if you've got multiple people within your business that want to use that ad account. You can also then start looking at setting up your insights and your tracking, start building audiences, both from the saved audiences using LinkedIn's data, but also the retargeting information, such as people that have engaged with your content or your email lists, or once you've got those insight tags, the people visiting your website. These will give you everything you'll need to get started. If you get stuck, please give us a shout. We run ads like these every day for B2B organizations across the world. We can help you understand the right objectives, ad formats, and approach that will get you consistent visibility with your target audience. I'm Christian from Dal Social. If you need anything, just give us a shout.